As of 2025, many YouView box users face a common problem, needing to reset their device when the remote control is lost, damaged, or has dead batteries. Whether you have a BT YouView box, TalkTalk box, or another model, remote control issues are increasingly common with aging hardware from 2015 to 2020 still in active use. Fortunately, all YouView boxes have physical buttons that allow you to perform resets without needing a working remote control. There are two main types of resets you can perform using only the buttons on your YouView box: a soft reset and a hard reset. These button-only reset methods work on all major YouView box models, including the Humax DTR-T 2100, DTR-T 4000, and Manhattan T3R boxes. Button-only resets are essential for troubleshooting common issues like frozen interfaces, recording failures, network connectivity problems, and app crashes when your remote control is not available. Understanding these fundamentals prepares you for the actual reset procedures. In the next section, we'll walk through the exact button sequences and timing needed to successfully reset your YouView box. There are two main reset methods you can perform using only the buttons on your YouView box. The basic restart is quick and preserves your recordings, while the factory reset is more comprehensive but erases all data. Let's start with the basic restart method. This is the most common reset and should be your first attempt when experiencing issues. Here's your YouView box with the power button clearly marked. The basic restart follows 4 simple steps that take about 5 minutes total. First, locate the power button on the front panel of your box. It's usually on the right side and may have a power symbol. Press and hold this power button for exactly 10 seconds. You'll see the LED light turn off, indicating the box is powering down completely. After the LED turns off, wait exactly 30 seconds to ensure the system fully shuts down. Then press the power button briefly once to restart the box. Finally, be patient and allow 3 to 5 minutes for the complete system reload. The box will go through its startup sequence and return to normal operation. Now let's cover the factory reset procedure, which is more complex but can resolve serious software issues. The factory reset is a more complex procedure that completely restores your YouView box to its original state. This erases everything, so use it only when the basic restart doesn't work. The factory reset involves a precise 6-step sequence. Start by ensuring your box is in standby mode, indicated by a red LED light. Press and hold the power button firmly. You'll need to maintain this hold throughout most of the procedure. While continuing to hold the power button, carefully unplug the power cable from the wall or back of the box. This is crucial. Keep holding the power button for exactly 15 seconds after unplugging. Count slowly to ensure proper timing. Reconnect the power cable while still holding the button. Don't release the button yet. Continue holding until you see the LED light flash alternately between blue and red. This indicates the factory reset mode is active. Once you see the alternating LED pattern, release the button. Your box will display the maintenance mode screen with reset options. The maintenance mode screen shows several reset options. Use the power button for navigation. Short presses move down the menu, and a long press selects your chosen option. These button-only reset methods solve most YouView box issues. Start with the basic restart for minor problems and use the factory reset only when necessary. Both procedures use just the power button, making them accessible even without a working remote control.